Hi everyone, on this video I'm going to show you some breathing exercises and techniques that come from Tai Chi. It's very simple, very relaxing, and you can do it with your children or actually anybody. You can do it with your partner. Today I'm going to do it with my son Kenji. Kenji, say hi to everyone.
Hi, I'm Kenji.
So he's 4 years old. He's already exercising and doing some breathing exercises, but this one is new to him. So, Kenji, first, I'd like you to get comfortable.
Okay.
Don't pick your nose. Get comfortable, either cross-legged or sitting on your knees. Is your nose okay?
It's itchy.
Okay, just leave your nose for a moment. Sit either cross-legged or on your knees, and then a little bit closer to Daddy.
On my knees.
On your knees, okay? That's fine. So there. Hands are going to be nice and relaxed, okay? Daddy's going to show you the exercises first,
Okay.
and then you just copy me, okay? So sit nice and relaxed, and look at Daddy. Okay, so the first one, we're going to use our right hand.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it. That's your right hand. But just relax first. Yeah, this is my right hand. Just stay relaxed first, and watch Daddy.
And it's my hand.
Yes. Leave your nose alone. Okay, so watch. This right floats up. It's about your face. You relax first. Just copy. Watch Daddy. And then it comes down. Okay?
Okay.
As it comes up, we breathe in through the nose. And when it gets to the face height, then it floats back down with the palm facing forward.
Down.
Let's try together now. You ready? Hand on your leg. Together. Breathing in. Put this hand down. Again, so let's start again. Breathing in. Breathing down and out. Let's do this 3 times. Number 2, breathing in. Breathing down and out. One more time. Breathing in. Good. Breathing out. Now relax the right hand and left hand. Breathing in. Slowly with the breath. Breathing out and down. Breathing in. Out and down. One more time. Breathing in. Out and down. Now 2 hands together. Breathing in. And out and down. Breathing in. Together. Out and down. Breathe in through your nose. Deep. And then relax down. Your hands back together here. Okay. Feel okay?
Yeah.
Relaxed? Okay, that's the first one.
Yeah.
Let's do the next one. Okay?
I changed.
You want to change?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. The most important thing is you sit comfortable. Okay? Okay, you're comfortable? Finish section 1. Kenji did a good job. Now we're going to do section 2. Okay, look at Daddy. Hands just nice and relaxed, feel comfortable. I'll teach you section 2. And then we'll try together, okay? So just watch Daddy's movements first. Okay, so now we're going to hold the hand with the fingers facing up, just like you've got your ball. Okay? And then as we breathe in, and we extend the hands just to wet your shoulders. And then as we breathe out, bringing the hands back together. So we breathe in, imagine the ball is expanding. And as we breathe out, the ball's getting smaller again. Okay, let's try that together. So hold your hands about here. And we breathe in and expand the ball. Good boy. And then back together. Yeah, and then again, one more time. In. And then back together. One more time, breathing in. And then together. Yeah, close. Exhale. Okay, how was that?
Fine.
Fine? Feel relaxed?
Yeah.
Okay, good boy. Let's do number 3.
Number 3.
Number 3. Yeah. So we're going to put our hands. You relax first. And Daddy show you, okay? Number 3. Okay?
Bum hurts.
Your bum hurts?
Yeah.
Get comfortable then. Change your position. Back to your knees? Okay,
Yeah.
that's fine. So you just stay still and Daddy show you number 3. Okay, first, I'm going to bring my right hand out in front to here. I'm going to breathe in and pull back. And breathe out and push forward. Okay? in, and breathing out as I push forward. Okay, so you put your hand up, not touching mine, just so we're in the middle of our space, okay? Now we breathe in, breathe out as we push forward. Breathing in, breathing out. Nice and slow. Get the movement together with the breath. Good. Now relax that hand. Let's do this hand. Breathing in as we pull back. And exhale as we go forward and push. In, out. One more time. In, out. Okay, let's do
2 hands.
Yeah, clever boy. Let's do 2 hands. So there. Let's put them in place. Breathing in. And then push forward as we breathe out. Yeah. Breathing in. Push forward as we breathe out. Breathing in. That was number 3. Now, hold hands.
2, 4.
To finish now, we're going to hold hands. Close your eyes and relax. And then we take 3 deep breaths together, okay? Breathing in through the nose. Yeah, deep. And then exhale, sending your breath down to your belly. Breathing in. Breathing out. Number 2. Staying relaxed. Breath number 3. And breathing out and down. Okay, relax your hands back to your legs. Do you feel nice?
Yeah.
Do you feel relaxed?
Yeah.
Good boy. Give Daddy a hug. Oh,
Wait.
good boy. Finished.
Yeah.
Say goodbye to everyone.
Bye.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. As I said, it's very, very simple. You can turn it into a bit of a game to get younger ones doing it. If they're a bit older, then they'll understand more. And obviously, if you're 2 adults together, then you can do this. You can do it for longer than 3 breaths each movement. You can turn this into a really nice breathing session, relaxation, and actually even do this by yourself before you're about to do some meditation. Over the next week or 2, I'm going to be releasing a lot more breathing exercise videos, Qigong, Pranayama. So you've got those to look forward to. So I hope you are well, stay safe, and look after yourself.